Asa ka mo? Asa ka madto? Where are you going?
Church. Church. Go to church. Church.
Okay, okay.
Go there, Alita.
Tapos, okay, go. Wala si mami dyan, ha? Asa ka madto? Church? Ay, asa ka madto? Asa ka madto?
Church.
Sisula man kaligo. Wala ka notebook. Asa man imong notebook? Oh, sige ikaw. Adto ka dito pawaon ka kay wa man kay notebook.
Ay.
Ko, pangay sa notebook kay Tita Chris ikaw lapis ka. Where are you going?
Going to church.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Book man yan. Bye-bye. Ay, asa man ka madto? Oh. Asa man? Wala man kay pencil. Kuha pencil. Kuha. Kuha pencil, kuha pencil. Asa man imong pencil?
There.
Adaw?
There.
Where? Sige. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Asa man ka? Asa ka? Where's your shoes? Shoes. 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 Go, pag shoes. Go, pag shoes, go, shoes. Sige na. Shoes. Diyan na lang ka, diyan na lang ka. Asa man imong shoes?
What's this?
Let's go na.
This.
Go.
Dabay ka? Dabay. Dabay. Everyone. Ay, shopping. Sorry, nanay.
Okay, it's alright. Asa na kape? Kini sa ubos kape pa ni.
Hindi na, rin na. Nababay na.
Bye. That's Pia.